Hello and welcome to unboxing. So after a very long time, I got a chance to unbox something in front of camera, and I thought like to not waste time anymore. So I think back in February you saw I unboxed the Zune Smooth 4 gimbal, and I was traveling. I traveled with Zune 4, and that made me decide that I shouldn't have bought Zune Smooth 4. I should have bought this one. This one is nothing to be, personally, if you want to see how when I go somewhere or if I shoot something, I will show you the video, but rather than now, I would do the unboxing what I got here. First, I want to talk about the price. That is something to be talked about. I bought it in a discount price. I paid here almost $147 when I converted from my currency to dollar, because this is the combo pack and this is the upgraded pack. So what we get here is basically one Osmo Mobile 3, one carrying case, one Osmo Grip tripod, one power cable, one storage pouch, and one wrist strap. So let's see. Oops, it's not that big pack as Zune 4. Seriously. I have struggled a lot with Zune 4. That's why I'm actually saying Zune 4 again and again. This one cost me $147 point something. It is I saw that it's $139 in Amazon, but we cannot buy it from Amazon, and when we buy it from there, it charges a quite good amount of money for the shipping, international shipping, and then our custom duty tax. There are a lot of things, so that's why I think the price I got, that's a quite good one. So here are the accessories. Let me show you the accessories first. My first impression is the box is so small. If I compare with Zune 4, this is the half size of the Zune 4. Because why I'm comparing with Zune 4? Because mostly people were comparing that Zune 4 is the budget version of this Osmo Mobile 3. But let's see, I have great doubt on that. So this is the power cable. People said it was not there in Osmo Mobile 2. So it's a good thing that I bought later. So what else? So this is the tripod. Oops. This is the tripod. Nice. It's quite flexible. What else? Oh. So here is I think this is the great hand strip. Nice, not bad, not bad. And I don't want to open the bag right now because it's not required right at the moment. So this is the pouch. This is what I think these are the stickers that can be used in the anti-slip pad to secure the mobile phone on the holder. So let's open the machine first. We already saw. So what I got one strip, one pouch, one tripod, and one charging cable. So total 3 accessories I got extra with this price. Let me keep it aside. Oops. Let's open the real thing. So, about the weight, I have to say here that Zune Smooth 4 gave me a heck lot of headache with the weight. I was being asked to open my bag in Jeddah, where I did the transit, and they opened my bag and they were saying, what's inside? Why it looks like a gun? So my suggestion will be, if you're traveling countries, I think this can be a good compact one, or maybe something smaller, because I carry a big bag, so a backpack, so this is something really good to throw inside the bag. So here is the thing. Nice, compact. So it's very quickly, I can see I really don't have to try much. And let me put on my phone. So what did this say? The phone camera direction. That is a nice thing to do, you know. That is really nice that they put the phone direction, because sometimes it's really hard when you put the phone and later on. Okay, let me turn on. Okay, why it's not working? Because I didn't turn on the Mimo app. So let's try the Mimo app. Is it downloaded? Yes. So the Mimo app downloaded. Agree. Live. Wow, that's super fast. Okay. 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 Yeah. It's supposed to find the, tap here to select edit or start. So this is Osmo 3. So here's the connect button. So what I'm doing is pair. Dear Lord. Okay, I haven't registered. I think I have to do some work here. Anyways, I will I'm closing it over here because if you ask my words on the new machine, I would say it's quite easy. It's faster, because I was quite amazed by how and a lot of information came. I remember how much struggle I did registering the Zune one, and I had, I think, at least 2 to 3 application, and I didn't understand which one to connect with. So in that case, I would say this one is really nice, and I got at least 4 accessories. I got only 1 USB cable in the Zune one, so, and I felt like the weight was too much, but this one is really nice. Weight is less. So if you ask, is it worth it for the money? Yes, I would say. Thank you so much. I will give the review, or I'll probably, this one is quite popular all over the internet, and I understand this is a quite classy thing, and I didn't know that first time when I saw it. This was designed for Huawei. Really nice. So I will put probably my next video or something to show you how it's working, but here I'm closing up here. Please subscribe, like, share, and thank you so much for being with me. Bye bye.